In this video, we will discuss how to calculate your GPA. All students have two GPAs, your unweighted and weighted GPA. Both of these are used for college and scholarship applications and for graduation endorsements, which are extra recognitions or symbols by your name in the graduation program. But your weighted GPA is what specifically determines your class rank and if you earn an honor stole, which is an extra sash to wear at graduation. Your unweighted GPA determines if you earn a medal to be a North Carolina scholar if you meet additional course requirements. And your unweighted GPA is what's used to determine if you can take CCC and TI classes in high school. So both are equally important. So to calculate your GPA, the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to simply, use Google Sheets or just a piece of paper, make a list of all of the classes that you've taken in high school and your final grades. If you're using PowerSchool to remember your final grades in previous classes, make sure you look at the F1 column. Beside the grade, you're going to list the unweighted and weighted point value. Now that might be confusing, but here's some tips. To calculate your unweighted GPA, all grades count the same no matter if it was a regular, honors, AP, or CCC and TI classes. All A's are 4.0, B's 3.0, C's 2.0, and so forth. But to calculate your weighted GPA, the points are different, determined based on the type of class it was. For example, in an honors class, an A isn't just a 4, it's a 4.5. In an AP or college class, an A is a 5. So this chart is found in your curriculum guide, so definitely refer to your curriculum guide as you're working on this. So here's an example. You notice that this person had an A in world history. So for their unweighted GPA, it counts as a 4, but their weighted GPA, it counts as a 4.5. In history 131, they made an A. That's a college class. So again, unweighted points, it's a 4, but for weighted points, it's a 5. So again, this person referred to that chart in the curriculum guide to fill this out. The next thing you're going to do is you simply add up all the unweighted points and divide that by the total number of classes you've taken in high school to find your unweighted GPA. And then for your weighted GPA, you're going to add up all the weighted points and divide that by the number of classes taken in high school. So for your unweighted GPA, you're going to add up all of those unweighted points. So for this person, it's an 83. Divide that by 24 because this person has taken 24 classes, and their unweighted GPA is a 3.4583. And your unweighted GPA also is found in PowerSchool if you want to double check your math. To calculate your weighted example, or your weighted GPA, you're going to add up all of the weighted points. For this person, that's a 90.5. Divide that by 24. Their weighted GPA is a 3.7708. So again, this person's unweighted GPA was a 3.4, but their weighted GPA was a 3.7 because they'd taken extra honors AP college classes.